the world's first matchstick lighter. You can create fire in two ways. This is one way. This is another way. You can go to Cult 3D website and download my files. I give the link to my page in the description. Click on it and you will enter. It has a total of 22 STL. Then print everything. Then take 8 matches, 4 rubber bands and a matchbox card. Use only 50 mm to 60 mm matches and use 15 mm rubber band only. Tolerance are given only from 0.3 to 0.4 between all objects therein. So clean all the edges properly. First take this dragon body. Second take this one side bearing. Then take a rubber band and fold it in half in an egg shape. Then push the rubber band so that it stops at the end of the teeth. Take these two parts. Press the rubber band between these inner teeth to fit. Then check that the bearing rotates back into place. Then take this lid. Take a rubber band and cut it into 2 small pieces. Then stick it in the middle of this to stop the vibration of the product. Also take this stopper. Place it between these two tracks and move it up and down. Next, take this lifter. Blend the tip so that it comes off easily. Then take a rubber band and fit it properly to connect the 3 parts. Then take that dragon body and fit it on its track like this. If it is difficult to move up and down, apply grease to the area. Now it is good. Then take this matchstick holder. Fit a rubber band in this cavity. take a paper and squeeze it well. Place the path above it. It is placed for friction so that it is slightly above the surface. I fit a matchstick of average 50 mm in it. In this you can use 50 mm to 60 mm matches. It can load a total of 8 sticks. Please make sure that the head of the match does not go above this surface. Then take the second part of that one side bearing. Fit perfectly on this track. Then take this hook. Fit it into the appropriate gap. Then pull the lifter down and hook it. Then open this lid and place the matchstick holder inside. Then take this lid. Also take this L-shaped object. Then tear up the matchstick paper and cut to run through this L-shaped object. Then fit it to the track behind this lid. Hold the small thing like this so that it does not fall down and attach it to the dragon body. Now you have to be careful because there is a streaking paper on the top and a match on the bottom. If this hook comes loose, the match will come out with fire. Then fit the rubber band like this on the top lid. Then take the two parts of the dragon head. Only these two parts should be printed with the supports. Keep opening its mouth. Then take this clip and fit the inner rubber to hold it well. Check if its mouth opens. Then take these two horns and fit them to hold the clip. Then put these 4 screws and tighten. Then take this hook and fit it in place. If it is loose, maybe you put a small piece of paper in it and stick it tight. Now if you close the dragon's mouth and hold it tight, press it and it will open. Now press this button and the match will come out with fire. press the lifter into the beak, the next match will be loaded. This way you can burn 8 sticks. Another method of lighting the match. Once you remove this sticking paper from the top, only the bare stick will come out. Stick a sticking paper on the side. You can make fire with your hands in this stylish way. So you can burn all the matches in it without fail. You can fill the hole in this top with matches. Using this tool will push the match into place. Insert a match and then press this lifter button.